Now let's talk about looking at some word problems when we talk about solving systems. Okay, as you recall, we were looking at this in class and we didn't get a chance to go ahead and complete it. And I think it's the perfect problem to go ahead and post for us to review. Okay. Josh had 21 hamburgers. Well, actually, he grilled 21 hamburgers at a school block party. He grilled the same number of pounds of turkey burgers as hamburgers. It goes on and tells us that each turkey burger weighed a quarter pound and each hamburger weighed a third of a pound. And they're asking us how many of each did Josh grill. Well, let's take a look and see what is the problem literally giving us. Remember, this is a system, so it has to give us two equations. So, first of all, it said he grilled 21 hamburgers in total, and they were turkey burgers and hamburgers. So let's let turkey burgers, let's just say T for turkey. Let me go back and put my ink in. There we go. So we'll say X will be our turkey burgers. And let's let Y be our hamburgers. Okay, so that sounds good. We off on the start. So he said he grilled 21 total. So we can say X plus Y is equal to 21. Okay, that's our first equation. Now it goes on and said that he grilled the same number of pounds of turkey as he did hamburgers. And we know that the turkey burgers was 1/4 of a pound. So let's say 1/4 X. And he said he grilled the same amount. So that's going to equal to 1/3 Y. Okay, that looks strange, but that's what the problem is giving us. So it seems as if to me we can work from here by determining what is X. So in order to do that, we must multiply by the reciprocal to clear the fraction. Okay, so if we do that, we'll be multiplying by 4/1, and we're doing it because it's divided, and that's times 1/4 X is equal to 1/3 Y times 4/1. Okay, so that's going to give me X is equal to 4 times 1, 1 times 4 is 1X, so that's where we get X is going to equal to 4/3Y. Now, that's a pretty good set, because now all we got to do, we literally solve for X, is plug X back into our original equation. So let's go with 4/3Y plus Y is equal to 21. Okay, now we need to do is literally just clear this fraction again, and we do so by multiplying by everything by 3. Okay, so that's going to give me 4Y plus 3Y is equal to 63. And then adding my like terms, I'll have 7Y is equal to 63, and I'm going to divide by 7, and Y is going to equal to 9. Okay, so that's telling us we got 9 turkey burgers. So now all we need to do is put Y back in for, put 9 in for Y in this first equation. Is simple. which will be x plus 9 is equal to 21, and literally just subtract 9 from both sides. That's going to give us x is equal to 12. Real simple. So now what we see here, that we have an ordered pair of 12 and 9, or should I say we have 12 turkey burgers and 9 hamburgers. Okay, and now as you noted, all you got to do is go back in and check that. I see on the first equation that if we were setting up to check, and I guess we might as well do that. If we were going in to check, and I'm going to change the color. So we go in to check, and we see that x, which is 12, so 12 plus 9 is equal to 21, and 21 is equal to 21. Okay, we're good so far. So let's take a look at 1/4 x, and 1/4 of x will be 1/4 of 12 is equal to 1/3 of y, which is 9. And as we go, we'll have 12 over 4 is equal to 9 over 3. And when we divide, we'll see that 3 is equal to 3. So we checked, and we have an identity for both equations. So we've come to the conclusion that Josh, with what he had to work with, grilled 12 turkey burgers and 9 hamburgers. Good job, Josh. See you guys soon.